Good day, everyone. Today we will explore the impact of information technology on productivity and quality of life. Chapter 8 by Group 8. First, let's look at our learning objectives. We aim to answer the following questions. What impact has IT had on standard of living and worker productivity? What is being done to reduce the negative influence of the digital divide? How does IT productivity by reducing costs and enhancing quality? What ethical concern arise due to disparities in IT investment? Now let's dive into the first key topic, the impact of IT on standard of living and worker productivity. One of the primary measures of economic well-being is GDP per capita, which reflects a nation's economic output per person. Over time, IT has significantly contributed to GDP growth by automating industries, improving efficiency, and creating new economic opportunities. However, the standard of living varies depending on economic cycles, which affect wages, employment, and production. For example, developed nations have seen substantial improvements in healthcare, education, and workplace productivity due to IT advancements. Yet challenges remain in ensuring equal access to these technologies worldwide.
Productivity refers how effectively inputs like labor, capital, and materials are used to produce output, goods, and services. When productivity improves, the same amount of input generate more outputs, leading to economic growth and better living standards. This is often achieved through better technology, improved processes, or more skilled workers. For example, in manufacturing, if factory introduce automated machinery that speed up production, it can be produce more products with the same numbers of workers. This increases productivity because each worker can now produce more goods in the same amount of time. Telework refers a work arrangement where employees perform their tasks remotely using digital communication tools like email, video conferencing, and cloud-based application. This approach enhances productivity by reducing communicating time, offering flexible work schedule, and enabling continuous collaboration. For example, a software developer working from home can use video calls for meeting, access company servers by coding projects, and communicate with teammates.
Education rate. The E-Rate program offers discounts to schools and libraries for internet access and telecommunication services to help bridge the digital divide. Funding amounts are determined by a pre-discount budget per student and a need-based discount rate 20 to 90%. Schools with high poverty rates receive higher discounts. Funds can be used for internet connection and related services. Unspent funds can be reapplied for in future years. Low cost. Low-cost computers including Chromebooks, mini PCs, refurbished models, and single-board computers like Raspberry Pi offer affordable access to technology. While beneficial for accessibility and cost-effectiveness, they may have limitation in processing power, software compatibility, and durability compared to higher price options. The choice depends on the user's needs and budget. One laptop per child. The One Laptop per Child initiative aims to provide affordable, large laptops with offline educational content to the children in developing countries. While successful in reaching millions, challenges remain in scaling the program and ensuring sustainable implementation and effective teacher training. The goal is to bridge the digital divide and improve educational outcomes. Mobile phone. My previous response explained that the provided context was about laptops, not mobile phones, and requested clarification on the user's specific question about mobile phones before providing an explanation.
Telehealth has transformed healthcare by using electronic information processing and telecommunications to deliver medical services remotely. Technologies like broadband, mobile apps, and video conferencing enable virtual consultations, making healthcare more accessible. Telemedicine, a major aspect of telehealth, includes store and forward technology, which allow patients' data to be shared securely. Live telemedicines for real-time consultations and remote monitoring, which continuously track vital signs for better patient management. This innovation enhances healthcare efficiency, especially for patients in remote areas for those with chronic conditions. However, concerns about Healthcare Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, or HIPAA, compliance and data security pose challenges. Despite these risks, telehealth continues to expand, improving patients' access, reducing vital visits, and enhancing early intervention. Impacts of IT and healthcare costs. Healthcare costs are increasing, creating a major challenge for both providers and patients. However, IT solutions are helping improve efficiency and streamline processes. One key innovation is electronic health records, which digitize patients' records for quick access and reduce paperwork. Wireless technology allows real-time updates, ensuring that medical teams have the latest patients' data. Barcode scanning helps prevent medications error by verifying prescriptions and diagnose. Additionally, instant communications tools improve coordinations among healthcare teams, while these innovations enhance productivity and reduce
Medical information website for lay people. Medical information websites provide individuals with access to reliable health-related content, helping them make informed decisions about their well-being. These sites offer resources on medical conditions, treatment options, hospital quality, and healthcare costs. While they enhance patients' awareness, they are not substitutes for professional medical advice. Many healthcare providers and insurers also offer online tools for comparing hospitals, treatment risk, and drug costs. For instance, a patient needing surgery can research producers' risk, hospital ratings, and post-treatment outcomes. Despite their benefits, these websites must maintain accuracy, objectivity, and reliability to ensure users receive trustworthy healthcare and information. This is our end of presentation, Group 8. The title is The Impact of Information Technology on Productivity and Quality of Life. Thank you for listening and God bless.